Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to improve our code using @class directive. So let me show you one example and let's improve it. Okay, so let me submit it with the validation. So I already implemented the validation, so you can see that name is required, email is required, password required. With that I also added like input has a border is a red color, so you can see that. So what I did in the bled file, so let me show you here. So you can see that what I did like class and then form control class, and then I use like if there is a errors has error, then you can see that is invalid class, and then and if. So basically I need to use if directive, then like I need to start it and then end it. So same thing I did for email and I did for the password as well. So how we can use the latest Laravel code? So we can use the class directive instead of using if directive. Okay, so let me use class class directive. Inside that array argument, so first of all I always need like a form control, so I will add like form control key. Then that always should be true, like that means I always need form control class. Then I need is invalid. So inside that what I have to pass the value, so like true and false. So if there is an error, then and then this class should be applied. So I just need to put here and then I can remove this one. Okay, so now let me check it. So save it and check it here, refresh it, and let me click on that. You can see that. Okay, now same thing let me do for email and the password. Okay, so let me use the class and then array argument. I always need form control class, and then I need is invalid. It's only required if there is an error with email. Okay, so I will just put it and remove this one. Same thing I want to do for the password. So let me go to the class, and there should be area argument. Okay, and then form control always be there, and then is invalid if there is has error on password. So let me go and let me paste it here and let me remove this one. Okay, so now it saved it, and let me go and let me refresh it and let me save it. You can see that it works fine. So you can improve the latest code with the Laravel blade component, and it helps easily to interact with the like PHP code and css. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe it. Thank you.